Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to activate eSIM on your Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or S24 Ultra, step by step. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure your phone is carrier unlocked. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. And keep your eSIM QR code or activation code ready. Let's begin with method 1, using a QR code. Open Settings. Tap on Connections. Go to SIM Manager. Select Add eSIM. Then tap Scan QR code from Service Provider. Now, scan the QR code you received from your eSIM provider. Tap Add to install the eSIM. Please wait a few moments. Your eSIM will be added shortly. You can now use mobile data and make calls using your eSIM line. That's it! You've successfully activated eSIM on your Samsung Galaxy S24 series device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.